Welcome back, 5th standard children in maths class. Today we are going to start question number 13. Already we have discussed about half turn, 1/4 turn and 1/3 turn, but here we have to apply our knowledge in these figures and how we will get after rotating 1/3, 1/3 turn. Okay, so let us start with sum number 1. Here, whenever you know that around one point there is children 360 degree एंगल. अगर आप एक पॉइंट पर देखेंगे उसके चारों तरफ कितने एक मेजर का एंगल होगा 360. So you have to turn that. Okay, about which angle 360. That means this one is circle. If suppose children, and I have to rotate at 1/3, that means how much angle we have to rotate, that you should know. Divide by 3, 1/3 part you will get if you will divide this. So up to 120 angle, 120 degree. Okay, so first you divide into 3 equal parts. So each will be, this angle is of 130, 120 degree. Understood children? How you have to rotate each figure? First you have to get up to which angle you have to rotate this figure. Now children, if you will rotate this, okay, then what will you get by rotating this? You see, this is 120, this is 120, this is also 120, a little bit. Okay, only a little difference is coming because this is roughly I have drawn. So if you will rotate this one, okay, you will get the same type of figure children. Roughly I am drawing. So you will, if you will move this one 120, this will come to that side. Okay, and this will go to this side. So I hope you understood. The same kind of figure you will get. Okay, after rotation also you will get the same kind of figure. There will be no change in figure. But now come to second question. Let us see about second question. Okay, here also first which type of figure you will get, you have to decide. How you have to decide, that I taught you. You have to move the angle at 120 degree. Okay, this is 120, this is also 120. Okay, now same type of figure, because if this side will move that side, this will come here, so same figure you will get here also children. So there will be no change in figure. And same way children, you have to think like that and move. Here also you will see that. Okay, already from the figure you are getting idea. If you will rotate, this will come here, this will go there. Okay, all the three sides will move and will come back to its original position. So again there will be no change in position in third figure. Yes, here you will get. Okay, you see it is here. Okay, it is here. That means this is 120, but if it will move to 120 degree angle, then it will change its position. This will come down. Okay, here it will come, this will go up. So because two only, so there will be no change in, because these are not three circles drawn. If three will be there, then there will be no change. Here two are drawn, so there will be change. If you will move this one, this part, you will get the position. How you will get? This is straight way. If I will draw like that, I am going to rub and showing you why there will be change. If children, instead of drawing this line above, if you will draw this straight line downward, okay, and then these two sides, if you will, then instead of straight, it will go this side children, this will move this side. Okay, so it will be like this now, 120 angle. So if it will move to 120 angle, so it will, you will get which type of figure I am drawing just above that. Okay, this type of figure at 120-degree angle. Understood what I am telling you? Why? Because 120-degree angle, if it will move, you will get one third of the figure. Okay, so here this type again I am drawing roughly here, because this will move to 120-degree angle. If it will come here, then it is 90. If it will go there, about 120 degrees. So this is a location. Okay, it should come. If this cut part is like this, if it will cut like this, then it will be rotated at 90-degree, children. I have to judge from here. If it is going to move like this, okay, so this will be 120-degree. I hope you understood. Now next one, children, same way you can complete. Otherwise, let us discuss few more. Yes, this one also. Children, here these two petals of flowers are drawn here, and these two are not shaded one. If you will move this, where it will move, children, this shaded one here, this one. Okay, if you will start rotating this, you will get here shaded one, and one will move this side, so it will be one third rotation I am showing here. How you will get the figure? Okay, children, so this part will become shaded one, this will shaded one, and here this one shaded one, this one also shaded one. I hope you understood, and these two will move to this. So this is rotation at what angle? What angle? Okay, one third we have rotated this figure. I hope you understood, and this will remain like this. Now we are going to start question number. You just wait, children. 14th question. Question number 14. There is 1/6 turn. How would be how would the following shapes look like, okay, on 1/6 turn? This is your question. 1/6 turn, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, already they have drawn six parts, six equal parts. If you will move this side, this one will come here, and this will come just as I told earlier. Okay, you have to first divide into equal parts and rotate clockwise, and here you will get like this figure. This arrow part will come here, and this one and this one. I hope you understood. Okay, because this is 1/6 part. Okay, as already I taught you here, this is one third part. Okay, this is one third part. Here in this question, you have to rotate 1/3, so you will get this one. This part will move up same way of the figure you will get here, but here in 1/6 you will get a change because arrows are there. अगर arrow नहीं लगे होते तो तुम्हें भी same figure draw करना था. Now question number second you see of this. Okay, here 1/6 you have to move children. Here this is 1/3. अगर 1/3 draw करेंगे as done in the 1/3 rotate karenge, you will get same figure, but here 1/6. Okay, how you will get 1/6? I taught you. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this part will be drawn here. Okay, this part will be drawn here, I hope, and this part will move here, and this part will go here. I hope you understood concept here. Okay, this is called 1/6 turn. I hope you understood now. So the following figures you can complete yourself. Okay, same way children, you have to think like that as I explained you. Okay, these are the how many you draw like that and do like that. Okay, you see the rotation like that, and I hope you can complete all these figures now. I hope you everybody understood. So complete the following figures. Okay, now this chapter is completed. 15th question is there, I hope. Let us see. MCQ part is there, I think. Yes, so you can do MCQ part yourself on the basis of your knowledge used in this question. You have captured your knowledge in this chapter, so you do this. You can complete 15 question also.